excited because I have the new Schmincke student watercolors, which were just released. They're featuring a new color just for this series. They are known for very, very high quality watercolors, and they have not had an entry-level set. This is it. It's brand new. It came out at an introductory price of $89, which I know sounds like a lot, but they're a very high quality product. They're known for extremely high quality watercolors. So this is their attempt at an entry-level line. So it came in this very heavy-duty case. It is not metal, it's plastic, but very heavy-duty, high-quality case. And this is a little color chart that you can create yourself that came with it. It opens really nicely and has places to mix colors. It comes with 20 colors, including a special teal blue shade that they created just for this palette of colors. And I'm very excited. I'm going to be swatching this entire set, and I'm going to make this color chart but also swatch it in my little color and swatching and color theory book. So I'm kind of excited to get into these and see. I believe these are going to be regular half pans. Yep, and they are. So each one of these is a little half pan with the number, the replacement number on them, which is really exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and put them in order by where I'm going to put my swatches. I'm going to pop them into place here so that they're all comfortably arranged in my palette. I think this would make a really excellent travel palette just because of the size. So I'm really excited to get into these and start swatching. So meet me back here in just a moment after I get these all unwrapped, and we will get started. Give this a good spray with my little handy dandy sprayer here, because this will activate all these watercolors that are dry here. And then I'm going to go in and swatch. So I took the labels off of the little half pans and put them into my color swatching and color theory sketchbook. And as I made the little color chart that came with the Schmincke Watercolors, I also made swatches in my color theory swatch book, because these kind of watercolors, a little higher end ones like Winsor Newton, even Gansai Tambi, they can be purchased like by the half pan, which is what this is, or the full pan, and this has the number, the name of the color, I think this is the light fastness next to it, the number of stars next to it, and these are either 3 or 4 stars. Some are 5 stars. It's probably also opacity, because some of these that are more transparent have less stars, so I think that's part of it too. But yeah, so this can stay with the package of watercolors, and this will be in here for future reference. It's really nice to have swatches of your better quality materials, or even just the regular materials, so you know what they look like. And so this is a really good practice to get into. Here I'm making just a little basic flowers in a pot painting, just because I want to try out these different colors and see how they work together, how they lay down on the paper, how they react, how they layer. And I want to also see how vibrant they stay as they're drying, because that's really important when I'm checking out a new set of watercolors. I want to see how transparent they are, how the drying process affects their color and hue and value. Because sometimes with less expensive watercolors or student grade watercolors, which are, how they're billing these, you lose a lot of vibrancy or depth of color as the pigments dry. And so I want to see how intense the colors stay as the painting is drying, and how things layer over each other, how much paint I need to use in order to get a rich color. These are the things I'm looking for as I'm using them. So far, I really like the selection of colors they gave me. There's plenty to, there where I can mix colors I need. And the colors they actually gave me are really beautiful, and there's a good variety just to get started with without even having to mix. I'm pretty happy overall so far. And here I'm adding that special color, the teal, blue-green, and it's only available in this set. And then I added in one of the cooler greens, and it blended just really beautifully, and I love the way it came out. Now, this is a little watercolor I did after it dried, and I really love how the colors blended, and this almost looks like a salt effect just because it kind of granulated on the bottom, which I really love how that looks. And I just love the control I had with these colors. And the other thing I really noticed about it when I was painting was that with less expensive student quality watercolors, when they dry, they very often dry lighter, or you will lose a lot of pigment when they're drying, and these stayed very, very vibrant. So they layered really well, they stayed very vibrant. I did not lose a lot of pigmentation when they dried. I'm gonna give these a big, big thumbs up for quality. I know they're way pricier than other entry-level sets, but for Schmincke, this is a very good price. If you're looking for a little higher quality watercolor set at an entry-level price, for Schmincke, this is a very good price. And I think that they would stand up to like a Cotman watercolor, which is the entry level of Winsor Newton or something like that, or they might be a little better than the Cotman. Very, very good set. set and very high quality. I'm really happy just even having done this one painting. I know that I'm going to really enjoy having this set of watercolors, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of them, especially since I like to take watercolor when I travel. I can see myself reaching for these for that purpose alone. As always, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, as it makes my channel grow, and I do appreciate it so much. Thank you for being here.